Currently, we're making apple cider. This particular batch is destined for the Purdue Farmers Market. This opportunity allows us to strengthen partnerships within the community and the state.
So we have partnered with Weah Creek Orchard here in Lafayette, Indiana, and part of what we wanted to do is make a value-added product using apples that would probably normally go to waste. The students learn a lot, and so I always say this is the best form of experiential learning. They don't read about it in a textbook, but they're actually doing it. And that's really what we try to promote here in the Department of Food Science and also with the classes that we teach.
Being able to see the raw product be turned into finished cider is really important, and just knowing how to use the different machinery will help me with my future career. It's really great to see the finished cider sold at the farmers market. It's a really new and innovative product, and I'm glad that it's doing well.